It's your first car. What are your thoughts? Come on, we want to know. Today, Marina got her first car. That's her. I don't know what she's doing.
Open it, and then it might alarm might go off, so you need to put it in heat right away.
Oh, it's her first time I see her park, so good thing it's a small car. What? So apparently she's never, what is it called? What is this kind of parking called? She's never parked this kind of parking. She's got her license, people. So, you've driven it, how do you feel?
I feel like I'm gonna have to get the feel of this car.
It's your first car. What are your thoughts? Come on, we want to know.
I have a car! I can get to work now.
What kind of brand or whatever is it?
Chrysler. It's a PT Cruiser, 2001.
2001?
Yeah.
We got this at a dangerously low price, so I hope we don't die in it.
There's a sunroof, but I'm not white, so it's... But there's no AC, so I need to use that. It's no AC. Haven't driven this car yet. All I know is I needed a car and God provided. So...
Oh, you can't really see.
I figured out that the windows are right here. Not over here. The gears are at the bottom. It's very little small, and I need to figure out how to wipe this little dew off the back there. You know, I don't know what that is. Oh, there's window buttons for them in the back. This is a very uniquely designed car. Dear God, protect us all.